What's up, fam? So let's say there's a national emergency, there's an attack or something happened, and everybody's trying to use their cell phone, and you get a fast busy. You know there's still a way you can call somebody and check on your loved ones, even if that happens. And this is how. What's up, fam? This is your boy Specs on Prepping 101, where we prep to live, not just survive. Now, if there's a national emergency and your phone lines go down, your cell phone lines go down, then you can use VoIP, which is Voice over Internet Protocol. So without getting too technical, Verizon and Comcast uses VoIP for your home telephone service. That's what they use, not just telephone lines. But Facebook has its own VoIP, kind of sort of, which is Messenger. So let's say there's a national emergency, you call your loved one, you get a fast busy. Well, if you go on Messenger, you can actually still call them or video chat with them because it's not on your phone plan, it's on your data plan. So it's a whole different thing. It's VoIP for your cell phone. Now that will still work as long as the internet is still working. So even if you don't use it, download Facebook Messenger just because if there's a national emergency and the phone lines go down as cell phone lines go down, you can still call your family if the internet is still working. All right? So this is your boy Specs on Prepping 101, where we prep to live, not just survive. Now holla. Peace.